Hello and welcome to a new lesson, Advanced Phonological Analysis, Lecture 50. Let's discuss the topic. What is Advanced Phonological Analysis? It is the systematic study of the sound patterns and mental representations within a language. So advanced phonological analysis is all about the scientific study of the sound patterns and how those sound patterns work in the mental image of conveying a message in a language. We move on to the next point. While basic phonology identifies phonemes, the smallest units of sound, advanced phonological analysis investigates the complex, often invisible rules that govern how those sounds interact, change, and organize into larger structures like syllables and words. So advanced phonological analysis is all about the investigation of complex phenomenon of the language system. It always talks about the invisible rules that control, that govern the sound system of the language, how those sounds and systems change, how they are organized into syllables and words. That's the point here. We move on to the next point of our discussion, that is key aspects of advanced phonological analysis. What are they? The first one is theoretical frameworks. The analysis is done through current theoretical lenses, comparing how different theories explained sound patterns. So one of the key aspects of advanced phonological analysis is that we interpret the sound patterns through different theories guiding them. The next is segmental versus suprasegmental. Or what is this? It examines individual sounds, what we call segments, as well as larger structures, what we call suprasegmental, like syllables, stress, tone, and intonation. We move on to the next. Data analysis. What's that? It involves hands-on critical examination of complex phonological data set to identify language-specific rules. The fourth one is interaction with other areas. It explores how phonology intersects with morphology. For example, how word formation affects sound, and phonetics, what we call physical sound production. So when we follow advanced phonological analysis, we come to the point that it also tries to talk about how phonology intersects with the field of morphology, how word formation affects the way we pronounce a particular word, and so on. Next, typology. It studies how phonological systems vary across different languages of the world. When we say typology, that is categorization of the sound system, type of the sound system, and on the basis of which we try to explore how the sound systems work accordingly. Then we have phonemes and allophones. It distinguishes sound variations that change meaning versus those that do not change the meaning. And the last point is prosody. What's that? Talks about the rhythm, stress, and intonation patterns of a speech. So these are some of the most important key areas, key aspects of advanced phonological analysis. Hope you understand the concept. Thank you and goodbye.